Hey guys, here's how to make Ninjago Legacy Kai. So first off with the legs, there are two possibilities. You could use Tournament Kai legs, or you could use the Kai DX legs. Those could work, but I prefer the tournament legs because they have just like darker printing and they look more accurate to me. And then the torso, Ninjago movie Kai, maybe Techno Kai would work. I don't know, but this is a torso that like everyone has, and I think it would work the best. And then of course Ninjago movie Kai face if you want. Since they're doing a throwback to the original stuff, you could use the original Kai face. And of course the Day of the Departed hood. If you want, you could use SOG hood because it only has one color around the top, but to me I prefer this because it just looks more accurate. So yeah, hope you guys like it. Tell me what legacy character you want me to show you guys how to make next. So yeah, see you guys later.